Hi friends, welcome to our channel, one of the India's largest technical YouTube channel, Surya Technique Academy. In this Surya Technique Academy, always with you, learn to free in simple way. Okay friends, today this video is for the in classification part, that means the general intelligence and the reasoning classification part 2. On this video, we have to discuss for the in two methods, that is for the related alphabets and then related words. We have also discussed for the related numbers in past part 1 video. In this video we have to discuss for the related words and related alphabet methods. Okay friends, move on for the forward. This question is for the arrange the letters in a natural way and find odd one out. We have also for the classification section find for the odd one out. In option A, RYUWBR, given for the RYUWBR, that means the different letters on arrange there for the different word, but in these words are arranged for the in particular natural way can arrange there. And also find out the odd one out. Option B is for the EDN, C is for the O or FO, D is for the ETNS. Okay, try to on that. Option A is for the, I think, B U or O W. Okay, so option, I think, then. So option C, roof. Nest. Okay, these are borrowed hen, nest or the these three are same, but roof is for the indifferent. That I think in option C is for the odd one out on for this classification. Okay, clear? Okay, move on for friends. I have to discuss for the in word type and for the classification. I have to see for this question. Option A for the Feroz Shah Kotla is on for the New Delhi. Option B is for the Shafei Manshing Jaipur. C is for the Ellen Jardins Kolkata. D option for the MA Chidambaram Bangalore. So okay, we have to see for the these four options kitna difference. That means the some difference galat hai. That means the wrong pattern has there. So we have to observe for the Feroz Shah Kotla is the New Delhi is correct. Jaipur is on for the Shave Manshing, and then Kolkata is for the Ellen Jardins. But in Bangalore is nahi for the MA Chidambaram, is on for the Chennai. You know that I have for the Chennai. Okay, so that too. So okay, Chennai has the replace on there. Given on for the options in option A, B, C, D, I have taken there. So different. Okay, this is for the different on for the these classification. We know for the previous video in like a 4 options, 3 is for the same pattern, same basic, 1 is for the different. So that way of the friends, this type of questions have a arranged in PDF format, and then that PDF format I have given for the in description box or the link, and then also in comment section pin on for the link also. No, don't worry friends. It's okay. Friends, you have to see for this question. This is also related for words. Can see for the in option A is seismology, option B is for the pedagogy, option C is for the cardiology, option D is for the terminology. I think seismology for the earthquake. Okay, pedology means soil study. Yes, I think pedology is for the soil study. You can study on for the soil. You can choose on for the pedology. Okay, cardiology is for the heart study. Terminology is for the different. These related to these three are for the education study type, but terminology is for the indifferent. So that the option D is for the odd or for the in this category. Friends, we have to see for this question. This is also related on for the words also. Option A is for the valiant, option B is for the reticent, C is for the audacious, D is for the gallant. In these 4 options has the given a one of the word is for the related to one type of the word related to definition, that means the meaning. So okay, variant is for the, I think variant is for the determination type. Okay, this is was related to a determination. Okay, so reticent is for the feeling, so inner feeling. So okay, I think feeling, feeling. Okay, I think feeling readily. Okay, feeling type, feeling innerly, that too. Feel reading, I think. Oriosis is for the, that means of the confidence. Gallant is for the, you can, superb, super, better. So that type of meanings are the gallant. So determination, confidence, super, these three are for the same category, but is feeling type on the reticent is for the option B is for the different. On for this classification, that is option B is for the right. Can move on forward, friends. This type of question was related to a alphabet. So okay, alphabet related this type of question, we have to see what the option A Y V Q. Option B is as the K I F P, but that means these words. Okay, that means these letters A Y V Q. Okay, these difference of numbers. Okay, difference of numbers, gap of numbers. All three options are the same. One option is for the different, that means the odd type. So we can find out for the that. Okay, that too, option option A is for the A Y V Q. A means one alphabetical word, alphabetical letter number is for the 1. Y is for the 25. Okay, V is for the 22. Okay, Q is for the 17. Okay, okay, option B is K. K is for the 11. I is for the 9. F is for the 6. B is for the 2. U is 21. S is 19. P is 16. L is 12. So O is 15. M is 13. J is 10. F is 6. कितना difference है? So that means in reverse. So 1, 25. So that type of letter is the difference of the and back of. That means the reverse type. So okay, clockwise, anti-clockwise. That means the reverse. That -2. Okay, 25, 22. So -3. Okay, 22, 17. That means -5. Okay, 11, 9. -2. Okay, -3. Okay, 4. 21, 19. So okay, 21, 19 is for the -2. 19, 16 is for the -3. 16, 12 is for the -4. 15, 13 is for the -2. -3. Okay, for the -10. Okay, J is for the 10. 6. So obviously -4. Okay, -4. So okay, -2, -3, -4, -2, -3, -4, -2, -4. So option A is for the -2, -3, -5. That means the option A is for the different. So option A is for the odd for this classification of question. Okay, we have to in this classification type, in this classification subject, on the type of method is for the in methodology of the alphabet, you have to see on for the this type of question way. Okay, clear? Friends, this type of question also related on for the alphabet. We have to see for the option A. Okay, O is for the 15. Okay, otherwise 15. Q is for the 17. T is for the 20. X is for the 24. Okay, C is for the 3. Okay, plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Okay, in this alphabet we have to move on for the in clockwise direction, that too have move on for the forward, that you have the 25 26 1 2 3, that you have the plus 5. Okay, S 20, U 22, X 24, B 2, G 7, plus 2 plus 3 24 2. Okay, 4 5 6 1 2 plus 4. Okay, 5, difference here 5. So letter B to G, difference is for the 5 letters of difference. B is for the 2 4 7 11 16. Okay, 2 3 4 5 difference. Okay, I think these three are same. Okay, maybe in difference on for the option D is odd, I think. Okay, J10, 12 11, R is for the 18, W is for the 23. Okay, plus 2 minus 1 plus 7 plus 5. So the option B, option D is for the different. So different, that means the L and K is for the reverse order. So okay, so these two are the reverse order, that we have given for the minus 1, that we have to, this is for the odd letter, this question, this is for the odd of the this or these options are in giving classification. Okay, I think we are getting for this answer. Friends, this video, the classifications part 2 video, we have to discuss for the related numbers, related alphabets, related words. On this part 2 we have to discuss for the words and alphabets. Okay, we have to only discuss for the 2 or 3 questions. Okay, okay, the remaining questions, the remaining important questions, remaining patterns given on for the PDF format, we are provided on for the you. So this means STA Academy is always with you. Okay, STA technical team have to provide it for the PDF format in the description link, description, the link format, and then directly on given on there, and then also in comment section pin on for the in technical team have to provided for the in PDF format the all type of multiple choice questions, MCQ questions. Okay, provided on for the in, or not only for the classifications, other remaining subjects also I have provided. So okay, thank you for watching. Please to subscribe our channel, like, share your friends, activate the bell icon, hit the bell icon, so get a more updates regular on for your mobile. So thank you for watching.